What's going on and welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's episode, we got in the other set of VVTs. We're going to be putting those in and hopefully solving our problem with the RTR barking Spec 2. All right, we finally got something to do install on the F-150. Gabby was so kind on her way back from her first day back at school to bring us home a K&N air filter for the F-150. Pop open the air box and see what it looks like after it's been off-roaded for, man, how long have we had this thing? Like a year now?
Yellow.
Over a year now? Moment of truth. Ugh. Ooh, it's even leaving stuff on my hands. Look at that. Ew, gross. Okay, so we're gonna just, this is what we put on all of our Mustangs. I have it in my Mustang. Gabby's got it on her Mustang. Now we're gonna drop it in the truck. Ooh, look how nice this is. It's clean. You can clean it, you can reuse it. Save yourself some money in the long run.
Not sponsored.
And you'll get a little bit more horsepower out of these things. There you go. Just simply drop in. Okay, so now that that's done, since we still get all of our oil changes done for the F-150 at the dealerships, because it's under warranty, we're just gonna go ahead and clean ourselves off a spot here. There now, we're looking awesome. Now I say we fire it up and see how it sounds. I already feel like I heard a little turbo noise. We're probably gonna have to clean that probably have to clean that before too long with the off-roading that we tend to do, but done. Lorna, we got another Rock Auto box. I'm gonna go outside and put these in. You wanna help? No? Mira, you wanna help me with these? Okay, she's out too. I guess we're on our own with this one. Out here in the garage again, we got the table set up with everything organized so we don't lose anything. I always hate it when I lose these 13s that are all missing. So we have our new VVTs right here for the passenger side. Yep, passenger side that we gotta take off. So right now, get ready to take off the support brace, the cover, and then we'll take off the valve cover as well. We're probably gonna have to take off our oil catch can that we put on there. Swap all that out. We won't record any of that because you guys have seen me do this multiple times now. Just know that this side here is a lot easier to take off than that side. Got the valve cover off on this side. I forgot that this side was easy last time because I had the battery box out. And I tried to take that back bolt out right here without doing that. Not nearly as easy as that side would be. So we went ahead, took the battery box and the battery out. Got it sitting off to the side. This popped right off. And as we can see here, these ones are kind of wobbly like the driver's side whereas the new ones aren't. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those swapped out and the valve covers put back on, and then we'll fire it up, clear out all the codes, and make sure everything's working good. Everything is in there and back together and bolted down, so hopefully this will work. On the old ones, if you remember in the last video, these here are the stock spacers that go around the bolts. This one here is one of the new ones. When I opened the box, one of them was busted, so I just went ahead and I used two from the other one, put them on there. Seems to be working okay. No complaints. We'll see how it turns out. What I'm going to do now is hop in the car. We're going to clear all the codes. Even though I removed the battery post, it should be fine. But I still want to go in there and do that extra step, remove everything, and then we're going to take it down the street and see how she runs now. All the codes are cleared now, so we're going to go ahead, exit out of this, turn the car off, unplug all this stuff, and we're going to fire her up and see how she sounds now. super rough start like it was before. I'm not hearing all the cracks and pops, so that's good. It might be balanced out a little bit more. We're gonna go ahead and let it warm up for a second and we'll move the truck. I don't know, it does sound a little rough though, right? Do we got any codes going right now? No codes going. No codes going at all. So that's a good thing. It might just be because of the cam. I don't know. We're gonna take it out and see. Let me put the, oh, nope, she died. All right, well, shit. Why is she dying though? Is the question. Is it a mixture of bad gas? I'm hitting the gas right now and absolutely nothing is fucking happening. It's like there's no response whatsoever from the gas pedal. I can't rev it, nothing. And she died. Hitting the gas does 0 for this vehicle. I'm not really sure what's going on here. Damn it. And she's dead again. She seems to be running a little bit better now. I took off the battery posts. Voltage was jumping quite a bit. Oh, nope, there she goes again. Interior lights won't even come on now. We're like, what the? It's definitely a voltage issue. Check engine lights on. Now we're reading 2005, 2006, and 2195, which I don't know what any of those are, so we're gonna have to look those up. All right, we got this random code here. We have a misfire detected on start, first 1,000 revolutions. Misfire cylinder 7, misfire cylinder 4, random misfire multiple cylinders. So we gotta figure out what's causing this thing to misfire. Shit. Well, at least it's not the cam sensors anymore, so I guess that's good. All right, I've done everything I can with this for right now because it'll start to go and then it'll die. If you can get in the gas and get it going for a little bit, it might stay on like it just did long enough for me to get it in, but it just won't stay powered up. Volts are bouncing all over the place. I'm gonna take a break for tonight and then, I don't know, try to get tomorrow and hopefully we can fix this thing before the end of this video. Well, I think we actually did figure out what's wrong with the car, and I believe it's the tune. Drew kept telling me, check your tune, check your tune. I didn't want to do it because I was like, I know the tune is good. I know it's good. And apparently he was right and I was wrong. Sitting in here in the office and just looking over the tune, we had put the tune on the car, as you know, several videos ago. I thought it was making it run better, and apparently that was all just in my head. I returned the car back to stock and ran it, and it ran exactly the same. So I went back in here to program the vehicle. I confirmed everything. I skip all my updates. I know that it's not for street use. Okay, well, I can't view it this way. I gotta have it connected to the car. So let's go to the car real quick. Trying this again, we go hit program vehicle. We confirm this, we skip that. We skip this, we go to that. Keys on. Now, if we look here, it says available preloaded tunes. I just assumed that that was my tune, and I didn't think anything about available custom tunes. So, preloaded tune, 5-liter Mustang. But when we go in here and we look at all the options, we can change our octane from 87. It has a stock airbox, all this stuff. This is what comes with the device. Nothing in here is my actual tune. So that is where our problem lies. All right, well, there you go. Our tune is actually not in there, and that's what our issue has been. I can't believe I was so stupid as to not notice that before. I was just assuming that the 5 liter preloaded tune would have been our tune for the vehicle, and I was wrong. So that's why we're late getting this video up today, because I wanted to make sure that I let you guys know about that. I am going to be hopping on the phone with Lethal today to see if we can figure this out. Hopefully they can just email me the tune. I can upload it to the device myself, and we can get that posted. So next video, hopefully the tune will be correct. If not, we're going to be doing the parts from the paint shop. They've been there for a little over a week. I would assume by next Monday we're going to have them, and we want to try and start buttoning up some of the back end of this car, because we got something else going on for future videos here. But that's all I'm going to show you guys of that. Until next time, thank you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you later. Peace.